just feel like sitting down and doing shit. Most days, I just feel like hitting traps and moving bricks. Most days, I just think I might go fuck this nigga bitch. Most days, I wake up and thank God because we young and rich. Flexing on these niggas, that's a habit. I see it, I like it, I want it, then I'm gonna grab it. Ask your shorty, boy, no, nigga, I am not your average. My whole gang, young and reckless in the city taxing. Ride around with that cannon. Monkey boy don't want no bananas. Got niggas doing some calendars. Free my boys up out of that slammer. These boys don't want no smoke. Nah, these lame don't want no cancer. No, I don't sip promethazine. I drink Hennessy till I'm crashing. And I never turn on my day ones. We was made for all of this shit. Man, we started off getting whole ones, then break it all in them bits. Got your wifey in big boy hotel. She taking all of this dick. When she get here, she turn her phone off. She ain't making calls in this crib, Most days, I just feel like sitting down and doing shit. Most days, I just feel like hitting traps and moving bricks. Most days, I just think I might go fuck this nigga bitch. Most days, I wake up and thank God because we young and rich.
Started off with one bitch, now it's time to have fun, bitch. I'm tryna be dumb rich, and it's straight shots with my gun spit. For double O, we a gang, bitch. Them fool niggas can't hang. Them thought bitches get trained. Still whipping dope, won't change. Can't turn your bitch to my main. Let you suck and fuck for them bands, cause I'm all about my bands. For my dogs up in the can, who got caught up in the jam. Catch your op and pray don't jam. On they block, I swear we'll camp. On they block, I swear we'll camp. For a bitch, it's no romance. In the club, I don't want dance. Pop a bottles with my fam. Bitch, I don't give a damn. She scheming with a man. She knows I'm the man. My team looking like bands. My team looking like bands.
Most days, I just feel like sitting down and doing shit. Most days, I just feel like hitting traps and moving bricks.